Hello everyone, today we are excited to talk about the ExFactor 2.0, the ultimate solution to your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend problem. If you've been struggling to find a way to move on and move forward, the ExFactor 2.0 is the perfect product for you. ExFactor 2.0 is cutting-edge technology that uses advanced algorithms to analyze your past relationships and provide you with valuable insights and tips to help you move on and succeed. It is the perfect tool for anyone who has been affected by a toxic or manipulative relationship. One of the most significant features of the ExFactor 2.0 is its ability to analyze your relationship history and identify the patterns and behaviors that led to the breakup. By understanding the root cause of your difficulties, you can now create a plan to free yourself from the past and build a healthier and more fulfilling future. ExFactor 2.0 also includes a powerful couples therapy tool to help you communicate effectively with your ex and build a stronger connection. This tool is designed to help you overcome any communication barriers and foster a deeper understanding of each other's needs and wants. In addition to the incredible technology, the ExFactor 2.0 is also packed with personalized tips and advice from our experienced therapists and relationship coaches. These professionals have years of experience working with victims of toxic relationships and can provide you with helpful advice on how to overcome your emotional burden and build a fulfilling future. In conclusion, the ExFactor 2.0 is the perfect solution to your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend's problem. With its advanced technology and expert advice, you can finally move on and start building a healthier and more fulfilling future. Don't let your past hold you back. Invest in the ExFactor 2.0 today and take the first step towards a brighter tomorrow.